I remember it was 2009 and it was cold weather. In February, I flew to Bangalore. And I went to Bangalore because I was sent as a product trainer to train few people in an organization. And I was supposed to stay there for 2.5 months. So me, along with my friends, used to go to different places just to roam around and see how is the vicinity around Bangalore and what are the different cultures, different people, and looking at the nature and everything. One fine day we decided to go to Ooty, and we booked a car, and the same drivers, same people. We had everything planned on a Friday night itself, and we embarked on the journey. And as we moved on, it was a morning time. The sun was about to come out, and we were almost there. So when you go to Ooty, in between there is a forest which is a very famous forest, and people generally call it Veerappan Forest, who was one of the famous dacoit in one time, who has a long mustache. You might have heard about him. So we decided that we will take a stop there because there were a few sanctuaries there, and there was a small river which was going between the jungle, so we were excited that we will go there as well. And as I walked through the jungle, as I was passing through the jungle along with my friends, I saw beautiful creations, beautiful animals, birds chirping, and we were mesmerized. And we noticed that we were about to reach near the bank of the river. And as soon as we reached the bank of the river, we saw it was a beautiful river. A lot of stones in between, and we felt as if we will go in between the river, sit on those stones, and we will click some photographs with the friends and all. And we did that. But we thought that we will sit there for some time and we will experience the surreal nature. We sat there, and I was talking to myself, looking at those stones and the water flowing. I was speaking to myself in my mind. There were a lot of chatter which was going in the mind. And I thought to myself, I looked at that water, and I saw that water was not stopping. No stone was able to stop the water. Somewhere in between the river, the water was flowing above the stone. Somewhere the water was flowing beneath the stone, and somewhere around the stone. But those stones were not able to stop the water. And I thought to myself, our life is just like that flowing water. If we decide to be consistent in our life, if we decide to continue our journey towards our destination, we are bound to reach our destination. Just like that water which continues to flow, no matter how many obstacles are on the way, no matter how big or small the obstacle is, the water will keep flowing and the water will reach to its destination. Similarly, in our life, if we learn from that water flow and continue to flow, we will certainly reach our destination. But the agony is, most of us stop in between. There is a certain point where we feel frustrated, where we feel demoralized, where we feel lack of motivation. We feel very low, and we think that our journey has ended here and our destination is beyond our reach. So, that flow of river is something that gave me an inspiration. And it also gave us an inspiration that we will definitely reach Ooty. We reached Ooty. Just to let you know, we enjoyed a lot. We went to several different famous places. We bought chocolates because chocolates are very famous there. We bought tea as well for our homes, for our friends, and we enjoyed. But I never forgot the lesson from that water flow. Be like that water. Be consistent. This is your friend Tausif signing off until we meet again.